In today's video, I sell my luxury handbags. And look what I have with me. An Hermès box. So excited! If you like luxury bags and accessories, you are at the right place. You clicked on the right video, so do not hesitate to click on the follow button. Of course, I'm going to show you first a bag that I want to sell that is here, and it's a Chanel one. So as you heard, like Chanel increased prices. So I'm super excited to be able to put my hands on this beautiful baby. So here it is. I'm going to unbox it with you. Everything is available on my website, bamluxurystore.com. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Margot. I'm a bag lover. I'm passionate that I decided to create my own business where I sell luxury handbags. Sometimes it's mine, sometimes it's bags of clients that I received, consignment, and so on. I'm super excited because this company was created thanks to you, because I sold my bags, then you asked for others, and I found new bags to sell to you, and etc. These are pre-loved, mostly handbags, vintage sometimes. These are amazing. You can buy them on my website. We ship worldwide. Okay, let's go to see this pépite. I call every bag a pépite, which is like an amazing bag usually. I love it. So we do have the dust bag for this one, and look at this beautiful pépitas. This is a Chanel classic flap. I love it. This is a small size. Perfect size. Personally, I do have the same size, and this is a very, very, very good size. I'm just removing the chain. So here is the little baby that I have today. I do have the authenticity card for this beautiful, beautiful baby. I just love it. I love the color. This is kind of the beige. This bag was repainted. So it was beige originally, and it's beige again. But it was so well done. Like, it's insane. Corners are actually very good. It was like professional work actually, because this is such a good one, like so nicely done. This is a beautiful beige, gold hardware, gold plated hardware. So I'm so excited. And look at the inside. You have scratches, of course. It's not a brand new one. This is a vintage. Start with a free, so it's not a brand new one. Inside is gorgeous as well. I love it. Inside is actually in a very, 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 very good condition. I must say it's beautiful. And authenticity code is here. And concerning the price, I'm just going to check right now the price on my price tag. Price for this one is 2,990 euro, which is super, super low when you know the price increase right now. I'm so excited. Like, this one is actually so, so cool. I love it. Like, it goes with everything. It's a very nice one. I would love one day to keep a Chanel beige classic flap for my own. Especially that now they are increasing more and more, would be amazing. I have another pépite that I need to show you, and this is the most exquisite bag. Look at this beautiful baby. This is an Hermès bag, and this one is a very, very special one. As you can see, so I had the dust bag, but the dust bag is damaged. Anyway, I do have a Kelly size 32. This is a box leather, and this is dark blue. It's amazing. I do have the strap that you can fix directly on the bag. I have like the little key here and the padlock. This is a beautiful bag. I'm so amazed by the condition of it. This bag was retouched by Atelier d'Avent. Atelier d'Avent is a very French renowned atelier that helps to renovate bags, I would say. And this one is a very old vintage Kelly. Apparently it's a 1959. This is a very, very old one. So the leather is good. It has lived, but still in very good condition. The only things on this bag, obviously, it's a freaking old vintage bag. This is a beautiful one. Here it's a little bit cracked in terms of leather, but it's so tiny. You will see the photos. It's more about like the leather. What else? On this side, a little bit too, but I would say less in the end. Corners are good. Yeah, corners are good. Little bit used. They were redone, obviously. Let's open this together. The handle is fine. Yeah, very fine. Very good. Perfect. Let's open the bag together. I love it. I love it. I saw once a lady going out of a store of Hermès in Barcelona. She had this exact same bag. I fell in love. I completely fell in love with this beautiful Inside now. Inside is good. Very good, I would say. You have a zipper pocket that is very good condition. What is, oh yeah, here you have the pocket here, and the little stitching is a bit damaged, but it's nothing big. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous work. Like, oh, you have the Hermès Paris and everything. And now the price, because for you it's the most important thing. The price is 7,100 euro for this Kelly Hermès bag. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go for the next thing. Okay, next item that I had is here. I'm gonna try to show you from closer. It's beautiful. This is Be Happy. This is a bracelet from Hermès. This is the Be Happy one. This is a size S, small, triple tour. So you can you can put it like this way. It's beautiful. I do have a very, very small wrist, so I can do like 4 different tour. I'm gonna show you. This is a palladium silver hardware. This bracelet, I think, was almost never used by my clients, so I'm actually super, super happy. Look at this, beautiful. It's actually super cute. I love it. It's so freaking cute. Look at this, and with my watch, it's perfect. I should have put it this way. This is kind of a violet. Very, very cute, very handsome. I'll try to show you. You have photos on the website directly, but this one is beautiful. I like the color. It's perfect for the spring season, actually. It's very, very good. I love it. You do have all the information here about the Hermès stamps and whatever, but condition is so nice. I don't have box or dust bag for this little baby, and I believe it was never used actually by my clients. I'm just having a look. No, I think it was never used. For me, it's as new, like brand new, as new. No, I've mistaken. Like, it's not a small one. It's a size M, medium, and it's a triple tour. Beautiful. You cannot buy it online anymore. The triple tour. This is the biggest one you can get. You have the simple one, the double tour, and the triple tour. And I think like the triple one, you cannot find it on the website or in store anymore. Well, at least on the website. So this is a medium size, and the price is 275 euro. 275 euro for this beautiful bracelet, Hermès bracelet. Stay until the end of the video because I'm gonna show you this pépite at the end of the video. While waiting, I'm gonna show you another bag that I just received. So this is a Gucci one. So freaking nice. This is a Gucci one with leather on the side, and it's fabric, like dark blue fabric, brown fabric, silver hardware. It's a beautiful one. I love it. On the outside, what can I say? On the front, it's actually perfect. On the back, I would say here, corner is a little bit touch, like super little. Otherwise, it's amazing. Like, condition is beautiful. I'm gonna just open like here on the inside. And inside also is very good. Huh? I'm impressed. Like, it's crazy. Like, very, very crazy. You have like a little stain here. You have the zipper pocket that is perfect. No, I'm impressed. The bag was not very used, actually, I have to say. So it's super nice. This is a bag, guys. You were asking me quite a lot. It's been a long time that I didn't get any Gucci bag. But this one here is 380 euro. Very, very amazing price, I have to say, for this type of bag. Huh? Okay, next one that I want to show you is this little pouch from Celine. This is a Celine Canvas one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You have some details in leather. This part of the leather is like darker. So you have a first little pouch on the front, which is inside leather. You have some little stain, like it was used a little bit, but that's fine. Corners are quite good, little rubbed, but otherwise good. Hardware is used. And inside, it's full leather inside with a zipper pocket around here. I'm gonna just open. No, I just closed it. I'm silly. I'm just gonna open it. And inside of the little pouch is very good, actually, condition. Now I'm impressed. This is a very good one, like very cool. And the price for this one is 200 euro. So nice, so nice. Very, very good. Okay, next is a bag. It's been a very, very, very long time since I have not released an Alma PM Louis Vuitton monogram canvas bag. I'm super excited because this is a bag that you love. This is a PM size. It exists in BB, alors, nano size now, BB size, PM size, medium, and GM size. GM is very huge. This one is a very, very cool one. This is a monogram canvas. Okay, so for this bag, like the leather details are quite good. This is tanned, but like very nicely done. You have the base of the bag that is leather. You have stain, but quite okay actually. So you can see you have little stains under the bag, but it's quite the same everywhere, so it's kind of good. You just have one a little bit bigger here, but this is a bag that you will put on the table, put on the floor sometimes when it's raining, blah blah blah, so of course it will leave. This is a vintage bag, but such in a good condition for the bag, I must say. But yeah, no, it's a very good one actually. You have some little stain here, but that's fine. Canvas is perfect. Hardware is actually very good. And let's open the bag. So yes, it has an odor inside. It's possible like to remove the odor to work on the odor. You have a little pocket just here, and you have the tag with the serial number. This is a bag from 1993. So as you can see, this is not a recent one at all. So I'm quite impressed actually for the bag and for the price that is 520 euro. And I will try to remove the odor as much as I can, but in case you can also too. Well. Let's continue with an accessory. So we had the box, and this is a Louis Vuitton one. This is a mini wallet. That is super cute. This is a very recent one, I have to say, on the outside of the wallet. So we have a very good monogram canvas. Corners are very good, except for here, this one is a little bit damaged. What else? Like the button pressure is in leather, so it's like covering with leather. I had the same, but in larger, and I do have the same problem, like the buttons getting damaged. This you can replace it whenever you want. You can go directly to Louis Vuitton to ask for a replacement. I'm gonna ask for mine when it's really damaged, like a replacement, but with a metallic button pressure. It's gonna be better. But anyway, it's like little for now, so you can use it. This is a violet kind of red, like fuchsia, I would say, inside. Very good. You can fit like so many different cards. You have these parts also for banknotes if you want. You have an odor that is like a recent odor. I had the same odor actually on one of my bags. I don't know why, but anyway. And little parts for coins is as new. Like this is amazing. Like the condition of the wallet is actually quite good. Little stain here, but otherwise very good. And price for this one is $2.99, like almost 300 euro for this little one. I will check on the price of Louis Vuitton. I would check on the website of Louis Vuitton how much this one costs now. But otherwise, this is a very cute little one. Okay, next. Oh, yes. Also from a brand we love, and that is like so accurate. So I do not have the dust bag for this one. I do not have the card either. I do not have a serial number. This is a vintage one. So beautiful. Like, and the price, you're going to be amazed. Anyway, I do have the dust bag. Like, it's not the dust bag of Origins, but it's the dust bag that we sell the bag with. So this one is a Chanel vintage, kind of a classic flap, but the old version. So excited. This is a gold-plated one. The only thing about this one is that the the turn lock of the bag is broken. It means you cannot close the bag anymore. We used to be able to, but it's the old version of the turn lock, and they always break. You can replace them. You can ask for Chanel or any other brand or any other person that is like professional about it to replace it or to repair, of course. Otherwise, the bag is such a good condition. Like, I'm impressed. The leather is insane. This is what I love about vintage. Like, do you prefer vintage bags at Chanel or the brand new ones? Like, I want to know. Corners are so good. The condition of the bag on the outside is so nice. Here on the back of the bag, it's a little bit more rubbed, but so little. Like, the handle like is so nice. What else? Inside now. Like, inside also is so nice. Like, even the little pouch is very good. Like, so much good work on these bags. I love it. I love it so freaking much. These are very good handbags. Here it's a little bit like damaged, but otherwise amazing condition. And price for this one is 1,800 euro for a Chanel bag. I know. Okay, let's put this here on the side. Voila, another bag. This is like kind of a travel bag from Celine. This is a beige light beige. Amazing, right? This type of bags goes sold out on my website every single time. So if you want this bag, be very quick, or you can ask me whenever I receive another one. I can contact you directly with photos. Anyway, this is a very light beige, beautiful one. You have very little stains, like for example here, but it's so thin. This is a very, like, bottom of it is insane, very good condition. Even corners are so nice, almost not rubbed at all. The back of the bag, now you have a little stain here, but otherwise very good. And let's open it and check the inside now of the bag. Now inside is beautiful, like inside is gorgeous. You have a little pocket, zipper pocket. It's beautiful, like perfect. And the price is 350 euro, 350 euro, which is amazing for this type of bag, I recall. And now the last one that I want to open with you guys. I do have a box, as you can see. This is a large one, like this is a big bag. We're gonna unbox everything together. Yay! So excited to present you the airbag. So this is the airbag, as you can see. I'm gonna remove everything. So I do have the paper that explains how to change the pouch. And I do have also with the bag, I'm just gonna take it here, the other pouch. I have a second pouch that you can replace. So this is good. I'm gonna just put the box aside. So this is amazing. This is an airbag. I will put the size on the screen. This is one of the big size. I have to say, this is gorgeous. This is a black leather one with a black pouch. I do have another pouch that is also black, as you looked at it. This is a beautiful one. I do have like the padlock here and the keys. This is a palladium. This is a silver hardware, so it's kind of cool. Condition, I would say, is good, very good on this one. So the pouch is super nice. Leather is a little bit used, obviously. You have some stain, like not stain, it's like marks, but this is a thin leather that marks quite easily. Let's open the bag together. You have also the little strap. So this is a mixed bag. Either you can, like, it's either for men or women. This is actually a gorgeous bag on men too. I love it actually. And wow. Inside is actually perfect on this bag, like in very good condition, I must say, on this little pouch. This is gorgeous. This is such a practical bag. I had one of my clients bought the exact same size, exact same one, because she has a small one and she wanted like a bigger one to wear it more on an everyday basis with the computer inside, and this fits a computer like quite easily. So it was actually perfect for her needs. So this is a bag, and for the price, let me check. Yes, the price is 1,520 euro. There is no big difference between a small one versus a larger one, which is very good in second hand. So if you want it, it's available. I do have box and the second pouch. Voila! Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Do not hesitate to click on the follow button, and yeah, see you very soon. Bisous!